So we've just arrived at our holiday home, our log cabin in Levi.
Gorgeous.
Take a minute to give you a quick outside tour of our cabin area. It's just beautiful. Had some fresh snow overnight.
Hi.
So if we walk around this way, you really get a sense of how magical it is. There's another cabin just here, and this is ours just here. Oh, the snow is thick. Here's some sleighs we were playing with the other night. This is a great ski run or sledding run down here. There we go. Oh, it's quite compact. Yeah. And there's our little fire pit we had on. And we come over here into the forest a bit more. It's definitely warmer today. And there we go. It's the outside of our beautiful log cabin. There's a few tracks here, probably been some reindeer around or something. Wow, look at that. My feet are sinking in the snow. Right, so you've just seen the outside tour. I'm going to do a quick tour inside of the cabin. We'll start upstairs. I'll put the lights on. There we go. So this is like the attic, I suppose. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beds up here. Oh, 6 beds up here, sorry. 6 beds up here. This is where the girls came to do their playing. This is the overview of the living room. So you've got the seating area, you've got the kitchen just there, there's the hallway. Oh, come down without falling over.
You go downstairs, Ivy.
And here's the first bedroom. And here's the kitchen. And there we have a bathroom. And here is the kind of drying area, washing area. They've got a really cool drying rack in here, which is fantastic. It's basically like a stand-up tumble dryer, but doesn't shrink the clothes, which is also good. And here we have the outside balcony, which is really beautiful.
As a freezer.
Yep, that's how we've been storing our frozen food, on that chair there. And it has stayed frozen. Right, Ivy and girls, should we go downstairs? Be careful turning on the stairs, honey. So these stairs are really steep, so just be careful coming down if you've got small kids.
The upstairs are
Mark, yeah. Right, what have we got in here then? So we've got the girls' bar area where they've been serving us some delicious hot drinks. Just here. This is the girls' bedroom. Did you like your bedroom?
Yeah, it's really fun.
That was great, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Lovely
but
thing
the door
outside.
kept slamming, so we had to
We
use
put a bit of wood there.
wood.
We should probably put that wood back, shouldn't we? So if you put that wood by the fire, and then through here we have a very dark area. There we go. So this was Mummy and Daddy's bedroom in here. Again, nice balcony outside.
Daddy, can we show them the sauna?
And then we have the sauna, which we only used once because we didn't really have time to use it much. Because we've got a little bathroom down here. Hello. And then we have the sauna in here, which was great fun. There we go. So,
Didn't you have a bathroom yet?
no, we let us go in the other bathroom, honey. So that is our tour of our holiday home we had here in Levi. So I'll put a name just above in the top left or right hand corner so you guys can check it out. We found this place on the Levi tourism website. Really happy with it. Really, really lovely accommodation. Got pretty much everything you need. I'll go upstairs with Karina and we can do a kind of maybe a pluses and minuses of it. As I just mentioned, really, really great accommodation. I think we'd definitely come here again.
Absolutely.
Just a few points that it doesn't have. We had to hunt around for matches to light the fires and get the fire pit started, and there weren't any.
It was a little bit odd that we were so well stocked with wood, which is fantastic given the temperatures and everything, but then nothing to actually light a fire with, which was slightly frustrating because when we came to do the fire pit outside, Martin quickly had to leave and nip. I mean, it's great because location wise you're really close to all the amenities, but it did mean that you had to quickly nip to the garage and go and get some matches so that we could light the fire. We do have the kids I don't know what you call them, but the firelighter things, like the, you know, kind of old school firelighter. And we did try that, but everything is so damp with the cold that it just wasn't happening. Yeah. So it did mean we had to kind of send Martin off to go and get some matches, which was slightly frustrating.
So when we got the lighter, everything was fine, got everything working.
So it'd be great.
It does have Wi-Fi, which is really good. It's a bit in and out, but when you get it working, it's okay, but you sometimes have to re-log in again. Yeah.
The other thing to mention is hand wash. Yeah. So there's obviously hand wash in the loos, which is fine. Although not all of them. So there's
only
hand
the one
wash
downstairs.
In our one downstairs. Mum's kind of bathroom up here, there wasn't any. There's some hand sanitizer, but not actual hand wash. And then in the kitchen sink area, there's literally just the fairy liquid, and then again a bottle of hand sanitizer. So I think that's slightly frustrating. I mean, great that the sanitizer's there, perfect, but obviously when you're in a home setting, you want to be washing your hands, not using sanitizer. Yeah. So I think, you know, just a couple of bottles of hand wash would be ideal. And then the last thing really is, and you know, maybe this is us being completely stupid, and maybe they're in a really obvious place that we just didn't think to look, but we couldn't find any tea towels. So we ended up using a heck of a lot of kitchen towels.
Just to dry pots and pans if you weren't using the dishwasher and things. And the only other thing to mention when booking...
Recycling is the other thing, but I think that's a Finnish thing generally. It was a real shock to the system for us because we were chatting to the lady that was helping us on our reindeer excursion, and she was saying that for her, recycling is a 3-hour round trip. They don't have a very good recycling setup at all here, so it seems. Again, maybe there might be in other places, you know, Helsinki and places, you know, that are more accessible, but certainly where we are, it doesn't seem to be an easy thing for people to do. And so actually that was one of the first things we found, was we were really shocked there's not really any provision for recycling. And for us, coming from the UK, where recycling is something that is obviously rightly so very prevalent, it just felt really bad to not be recycling things. So that's something to bear in mind when you come.
And the other thing to mention is when you're booking, you have to book your bed linen separately, and you can either have it booked so they just bring it and put it on the beds, or they make it up for you for the amount of guests you guys have got coming. And I think there's a slight extra charge for that. Sometimes it's included within the rental, sometimes you have to pay extra, but it's on the Levi website when you book, so just be mindful of that when you're booking. Yeah. But I think that's everything. So I hope this video tour of the cabin has been useful. I definitely recommend it. It's beautiful.
Been really lovely.
The location is fantastic.
Underfloor heating is like next level, amazing, crazy good. So
really good. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again soon.
Bye.